Hello and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now this week I'm doing a dish that is super quick to cook and super tasty. It's ideal for those evenings when you don't have much time to cook. I'm doing chili garlic noodles. Okay, so first of all I'm going to get a bowl and put 2 nests of dried noodles in there. It's about 170 grams in total weight. And you don't need to boil these in water. You just need to add some hot water and let them soak for a minimum of around 15 minutes. Depends on the thickness of your noodles. These are quite thick. So a minimum of 15 minutes soaking will do. That's all you need. And in the meantime, I'm going to make a little spice mix. So I'll get my not so trusty old spice grinder. Now then, I'm going to put some chilies in here. These are the dried Chinese chilies. Now, if they're not hot, they're sort of mild heat. There's about 5 of them. I will put a link as to where you can buy these underneath the video in the description. And I'm also going to get these. These are Szechuan peppercorns. Now they're not actually peppercorns, they call peppercorns, but they're actually a bud of I think a citrus bush or something. Anyway, I have a teaspoon of these. These are quite unique as they add a little sort of zing, a little numbness to your lips and your tongue when you eat them, but they're very tasty. Okay, blitz them up. And when they're done, we should have a nice fine powder, like so. Next, I'm going to take a wok and add around a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And into that, I'm going to put the equivalent of about 3 cloves of garlic, finely minced, or 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, my homemade garlic paste. Just cook it on a medium heat. Don't flash fry this. And to that, yes, I'm going to add some anchovies. Not very Chinese, I know, but they will add a fantastic umami flavour. And if you don't like anchovies, these will melt down into the sauce, so you won't even know they're there, but they will have this amazing flavour. With those cooking in, I will add my little spice mix. Just mix it all in. Don't overheat this, you don't want it to burn. And then after 50 minutes, it's time to dump our noodles into the pan. Like I say, these have just been sitting in hot water and they're fine. They're going to cook a little bit more anyway in this pan. Mix everything in. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Again, this will give it a fantastic flavour. And then, again, not very Chinese, but I'm going to put in about 20 grams of butter. This will melt down and give this a lovely glossy texture and extra rounded flavour. Just let that butter melt down. Give it a nice toss. And we're virtually finished. All that's left is to put a good squirt of dark soy sauce onto this, about half a tablespoon. I like mine dark, so the more dark soy sauce you put in, obviously the darker the dish will be. And that's basically the dish done. Now you can serve this with other things like meat or grilled fish or something like that, or I simply add a fried egg quite often to the top of this. And that's it. Super quick chili garlic noodles. You've always got time for this. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please also hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So once again, thanks very much, peace, love, and I'll see you all soon.